Place a plastic bag over the toilet seat and use a public restroom without worries. If you're unsure about hygiene, a simple disposable bag is all you need. This trick has saved me many times in uncomfortable situations, especially while traveling. I always keep a plastic bag in my purse, but before storing it, I prepare it properly. Take a bag and fold it in half. Using scissors, cut a semicircle, leaving the sides intact so it fits securely over the seat. This creates an opening, making it perfect for restroom use. I roll it up and keep it in my bag, ready for whenever I need it. If I have to use a poorly maintained public toilet, I simply unfold the bag and place it over the seat. The plastic layer effectively separates me from bacteria and dirt. After use, I just remove it and throw it away. It's a great solution for people with back problems or parents with young children who need to sit on public toilets.